Hello guys, so I'm Syed Zeb Farooq. As you guys know, I'm an Unreal Engine developer, and here is a quick update on Unreal Engine 5.5. I have been using the preview version of Unreal Engine 5.5, but I'm pretty happy about this update because they are pushing their quality in terms of, they're pushing their boundaries in terms of quality as well as optimization. So all this time, Unreal Engine was focused on producing the best quality possible, but now they are completely focused on providing the optimized builds. And whereas in Unity Engine, right, they are trying to push their boundaries in terms of quality. They are trying to match Unreal Engine in terms of quality, but Unreal Engine again wins in terms of quality. To be honest, right? Um, Again, it's a debate if you want to get into it. Let's not go there. So here is the welcome note for Unreal Engine 5.5. I'm not going to get into details of anything, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what's new and where they have focused their whole improvements. All right. So first off, we have something called as mega lights. This is the first thing I want to talk about. It's pretty amazing. So if you even add hundreds of lights in the scene, right, it's not going to make the scene heavier. You can see like there are hundreds of lights in the scene, but again, mega lights in experimental, it's still in beta stage and it's not completely out. There might be some issues sometimes you might face. Uh, yeah, again. So here, Mega Lights is the new direct lighting path that allows you to place, numerous dynamic and shadowed area lights in your scene. This feature enhances lighting flexibility and realism in your projects. So again, as you guys know, like if you place hundreds of lights inside your scene and boom, the scene is heavier. Of course, like you place more than 200 spotlights inside your scene, the scene is heavier. It's very graphic intensive, the shadows, everything. It's very hard to manage. But with mega lights, that thing is getting solved. Not completely though, but of course there are a lot of improvements. I have tried it in the preview mode, but I'm not sure how it is in the real engine. What improvements they have again. So the beta features includes there are a lot of things are still in development again. There are a lot of things in beta stage, like even the mega lights is in beta. All right, so let's go to the so second thing what we have is the rendering enhancement. This update brings improved lighting and rendering features, including better support for dynamic lighting and focus on improving visual fidelity across platforms. A notable addition in Mega Lights, of course, which makes managing large-scale lighting setup easier than ever. And then you have, changes in the animation. I just wanted to also tell you about this crazy feature. I already tried this. You can animate MetaHuman, lip sync, Visms especially, uh, with just audio inside Unreal Engine 5.5. You can see here. So you just add an audio here and it processes the vism data and it gives you the data. But animating metahuman's body is something you have to do manually. The lip sync is coming right from there. So basically, you can take any audio from 11 labs, let's say, and you can generate its vism inside Unreal Engine. It's really good for virtual production and for movie making. All right. All right. For animation, again, I'm saying there are major improvements. There is machine learning deformer which is much better, and you have animation deformers. Like if you see, you can easily squash and stretch any of the assets, any of the mesh, and animate it. So you have this control rig, you can see in the video, right? Again, so 5.5 also builds upon the revolutionary Nanite and Lumen systems. Nanite's, visualized geometry technology is even more optimized. Of course, as I said, like they are more moving more towards optimization these days, and they also want to bring it to mobile. They want to support all the devices. Like Unreal Engine wants to spread its wing across all platforms, and Lumen offers. All right, let's talk about Lumen. It basically offers real-time global illumination capabilities. This makes high-quality visuals accessible without breaking your system's performance, right? Giving you more frames. And there are of course editor and UI improvements, and when you open 5.5 you might notice a lot of editor changes. You might notice small tweaks in the tools you have been using in the older updates, And also, I will tell you one thing which I noticed, especially in VR template. I was using VR template in Unreal 5.5, and I noticed that they have changed the guns and the bullets, which come right out of the box in the template, right? So, of course, in the editor, there are new UI and workflow enhancements to make your development process even more seamless. You'll notice improved tool layouts, better organization, and overall usability boosts that save time and efforts. So, again, audio engineers rejoice. Unreal Engine 5.5 has stepped up its game with improved audio and sound systems, offering more control over spatial audio and environmental effects and sound design flexibility. I think, yeah. So you have more control over those things. So it's a great news for audio engineers. You have spatial audios and stuff like that. So again, the sequencer has a lot of improvements. There are a lot of things, right? There is some. It's a there. Of course, if you have been using sequencer, you will notice a lot of changes inside the sequencer for sure. And again, let's come back to the scripting and programming. The scripting experience in Unreal has actually got better. Whether you're working with C++ or Blueprint, this version includes enhancements to coding workflows, debugging tools, and more. And then comes the simulation and physics. All right, so if you include lot of physics inside your game, it's again optimized, and let's say focusing on more realistic interactions and improved performance for dynamic environments. It's great for developers working on physics heavy projects. Like if you have lots and lots tons of physics inside your game, it's again optimized. With megalites also, the whole scene is optimized. You are getting much better frames. So the whole intention of Unreal Engine seems like they want to target mobile platforms as well, and it's killing the Unity engine. But of course, there is a huge community for Unity engine. Let's not get into that debate because it's going to take a lot of time if you get into that. All right, for those in virtual production, the virtual production tools have seen significant updates, making them more versatile and responsive to industry needs. Unreal Engine continues to push boundaries in cinematic workflows, as always. Like Unreal Engine is not just for gaming; it's for virtual production as well. A lot of advertisements get shot in Unreal Engine, so there you go. And yeah, as I told you, mobile and platform support. Mobile developers, this one's for you. Unreal Engine 5.5 enhances mobile and platform support, ensuring capabilities with the latest devices and delivering better performance across platforms. And there are enhancements. Oh my God, what am I saying? Enhancements in terms of VR and AR updates. All right. So finally, VR and AR experiences are elevated with updates to virtual and augmented reality support, enabling richer, more immersive and smoother experiences across platforms to all the users. All right, so guys, that's a wrap on Unreal Engine 5.5 release notes. These updates truly showcase Epic Games committed to providing developers with the tools to create stunning high performance projects. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited about, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating magic, and all the best with Unreal Engine 5.5.